What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. The wait for the Amazfit GTR 3 series and the GTS 3 series is finally over, and in this video we are going to take a look at the Amazfit GTR 3 Pro, which is the best of the bunch. And if you're new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. So before moving towards the watches, there is an upgrade in the software too, and this time around the Amazfit GTR 3 series and the GTS 3 series will be coming with the all new software, and it's the Zepp OS. Now this OS is not as fast as compared to the Wear OS, but it's a pretty good upgrade from the previous generation. Now moving towards the GTR 3 Pro, then this watch comes with a made from the premium materials, and it's metal with the aluminium grade aluminium alloy. And not only that, the watch weighs at 32 grams only with the curved glass on top of that. The watch is available in two colors and in the two straps, which is the brown leather, and not only that, the another one is the light grey and the infinity black. Now the dark color looks very good with this smartwatch, and it comes with a larger display than previous generations, and it's a 1.45 inch. Not only that, it goes up to a peak brightness of up to 1000 nits, and it also comes with a narrow bezel of up to 70% of screen to body ratio, which means that in the same size Amazfit GTR 3 Vanilla Edition is also the same size, but it comes with a 1.39 inch of a display, which is of 66% of screen to body ratio. Now the refresh rate of the screen is also being increased by the 67%, and you can also choose over 150 watch faces, and it will be matching with the always on display too. Now to reduce power on this smartwatch, also the always on display and the watch faces are being combined easily with integrated together, and you can also display widgets which you want to display on your smartwatch, such as the heart rate, steps, weather, and etc. You also get two buttons on the watch, and one of that is actually a crown, and you can scroll through menus and the longer notifications. Now the Zepp OS is also a revamped version, and you can also get a support of the third-party applications, and in fact you can make your own apps in this smartwatch too. The watch is being synced with the Apple Health and the Google Fit, whichever platform you uses, and it can also support the work with the other apps such as the Strava, Relief, and the other applications. The watch, all of the three watches comes with a heart rate monitoring of 24/7 and blood and oxygen SpO2 monitoring, and it takes about 15 seconds to measure the blood oxygen levels. Almost it's a half of the time which it takes than the previous generations. And whereas the GTR 3 Pro comes with 150 sports modes, 5 ATM of water resistance, the GTR 3 Pro also comes with the 20% of much more accuracy in GPS, and the watch can also track a VO2 max and the pace compared towards the previous run, and also the full recovery time and many much more features. The watch also comes with an inbuilt microphone and the speaker, so you can take calls on the smartwatch too, but you can also talk to Amazon's Alexa. Well, if you are not having an internet connection, because the watch doesn't come with the LTE variant, so you can also talk towards the offline assistant, and the battery life of this watch comes with a 12 days of battery backup on the normal usage. And if you push the smartwatch to a battery saver, then it can give you a battery charge of up to a full month. Now what do you think about this Amazfit GTR 3 Pro? Are you consider buying this smartwatch? And before that, the price of this smartwatch is also being revealed, and the GTR 3 Pro is being priced at $230, or it also converts in the euro pricing, then it starts at 200 euros. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.